In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Must See for Equity. Before we can install the Must See theme, we have to install Equity. When you purchase the themes, you received an email that has the download link plus the API key for Equity. If you didn't get that, or if you want to go back later and get it, you can just go to agentevolution.com. Go to My Account, and your downloads will be available here. You can download Equity, Must See, and get the API key for Equity. Uh, to add the API key to Equity, just go to our video on getting started for Equity, and it shows you how to enter those keys. You need that key in order to be able to get support and updates for both Equity and Must See. Okay, so we're going to go to our site and we're going to install Must See. But before we can install Must See, we must install Equity first, because that's the framework it's built on. So we're going to go to the dashboard of our site. Here in the dashboard, we're going to go to the Appearance menu and we're going to select Themes. And we're going to select Add New. And then Upload Theme. We're going to click on Choose File and choose that zip file that we downloaded after we ordered it on agentevolution.com. That zip file should be on your computer. So first let's grab Equity. Here's my Equity zip file, and I'm going to install that. Okay, now I don't need to activate it, I just need to have it installed before I install Must See. So we're going to return to the Themes page, click Add New again, click Upload Themes. Again, we're going to choose File. Now we're going to choose the Must See zip file and install now. Okay, now that it's installed, we're going to click Activate. Okay, we now have Must See activated on our site. So let's go to the front of our site and refresh now. And there we are. You'll see we now have Must See installed on our site. Now, a lot of people like to have some sample content to get started so they know where things go and how they should be set up. And we do have sample content included in the theme zip file. When you download that zip file, extract that zip file with whatever zip extraction you have on your computer. Here I have Must See extracted. This is Must See. Inside Must See, there is a directory that says XML. Inside XML, there's two XML files, one for the basic contact and one for listings, for the WP Listings plugin. We're going to import that basic content first. So let me go ahead and close this. Let's go back to the dashboard of our site because we're going to import this content. We're going to go to Tools. Under Tools, select Import. We're going to use the WordPress import function. So under Import, we want to select WordPress. Okay, now WordPress needs the WordPress importer plugin installed, so you just click Install Now and have it installed. Okay, and we're going to click on the link to activate the plugin and run the importer. Okay, now that we've done that, we go to the button that says Choose File, and now we're going to choose that XML file that was included in the Must See zip file. So let's go back to our computer to where we have Must See extracted here. Back to that XML folder, and we're going to select the basic content XML, and then we're going to click on the button Upload File and Import. Okay, now once you click that, you first need to assign the author to the content because it's going to be importing blog posts and pages. And so for the import author, you can create a new user or you can select one you've already have on your site. In this case, we've got the user Agent Evo, so I'm going to go ahead and assign it to the existing user. Now be sure to check the little checkbox down here for download and import file attachments. This is important because this will import the images that are attached to the post and pages. So let's go ahead and click submit. And now we just wait for the WordPress import to finish. Okay, the importer's all done. So let's go back to the front of our site now and refresh. We don't have any menus set up, but we're going to go to let's just go to add blog to our URL so we can see the blog page, and you'll see that's imported the post, and it's also imported the menus, but we haven't set those up yet. We have videos on how to set up those menus, how to set up the widgets for your home page, and also how to set up the widgets in your other widget areas. Now you'll notice also in that zip file there's a listings XML file. These are the listings for the WP Listings plugin. So if you want to add those to your site as well, you will need to add the plugin. So we're going to do that now. We're going to go ahead and add new, and we're going to say WP Listings. Let's get that plugin. There we go. WP Listings by Agent Evolution. So we're going to install that, and let's activate it. Okay, now that it's activated, we can now import those listings. So let's go to Tools, Import again, select WordPress again, choose File, and now we're going to select that XML file that says Must See Listings. And we're going to do the same thing we did before. We're going to assign an author and check the box to download and import file attachments and submit. Now you'll see I got some failed imports here, but that's because I haven't created those taxonomies in my WP listings yet, so I haven't set up bedrooms and bathrooms, but it imported the rest of the listings. You'll see if I go to the dashboard to listings, you'll see all those listings got imported here. So if I wanted to view a listing on this site, you'll see there's the information for that listing. So that's how you import the content and you install the must see.